Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the Fanisic Mini Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a small but powerful gadget designed to make cleaning easier and more efficient. If you need a compact and versatile vacuum for your home, car, or office, this might be the perfect solution. Let's dive into its features. The Fanisic Mini Vacuum is more than just a vacuum. It's a 3-in-1 multi-purpose tool. It functions as a vacuum cleaner, air blower, and hand pump, making it incredibly useful for various tasks. Whether you're cleaning tight spaces, dusting off electronics, or inflating a swim ring, this device has you covered. With a lightweight design of only 400 grams, it's easy to carry and store. The cordless feature allows for hassle-free movement, and its one-button start makes operation simple. It's perfect for cleaning keyboards, car seats, window tracks, and other hard-to-reach spots. The 8,000 Pascal suction power ensures strong performance, easily picking up dust, pet hair, and food crumbs. It fully charges in under 2 hours via USB-C and provides up to 15 minutes of runtime. Plus, it comes with 5 different attachments, including a brush and extended nozzle, to enhance its versatility. Maintenance is easy thanks to the washable HEPA filter and 0.2-liter dustbin, which makes cleaning up messes quick and effortless. If you're looking for a powerful, portable, and versatile cleaning tool, the Fanisic Mini Vacuum Cleaner is a great choice. Check out the link in the description to get yours. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!